Alright, people, big up on yourself. We shall have it. So, fake people trying to do it again. You see, the sad truth is, my people, me I go tell you a true story. I take 40 years to learn this, but I'm teaching it in about 2 seconds and 5 minutes. Longest stops. Now, call me down. Now, fakeness is like the most biggest thing nowadays. People who you tell the truth, nah go like you. People who you show the straight truth will hate you. But tell them the truth no matter what. Tell them the truth no matter what. Because at the end of the day, the truth might be an offense, but it is still what? The truth. And then let me tell you something. You see, in the long run, when people find out, say you tell them the truth, they might vex you, you know. But it might be long. But them end up, I forgot, rate you. But them are going to hate you first. Because this world is so fake nowadays. That's everybody like when they tell them lie. Everybody like when they pretty up words. Everybody like when you mushy them up. No matter how when they make mistake. Let me tell you a story. Yeah, they have this mother, you know. I want a daughter bite half her ears. Yeah, but I want a daughter bite half her ears because they were going now. The daughter used to go out with one bag of foolishness, you know. And the mother would have never tell the daughter so she go out stupidness, you know. And one day the daughter go out with stupidness and go make somebody dead. And then catch her and carry her upon the gallows. But I don't know if no one know name gallows. The gallows are when them chop off your plate. That's back in the days. I know say, them say, you have any request to make before you're dead, my girl? Because you're too wicked, you're too hard at hearing. The girl say, yes, may have one request to make. Them say, what it is? She said, tell my mother something, I'm going to whisper it to her, I don't want to hear. And people, the girl's manager and the judge and the lawyer and everybody say, all right, I'll give her the request and call her mother cross. And you know, she said, come here, mama, close. And she hold her mother head, people. I said, mama, tell her something, and her mother put her head there and she bite off her ears. Bite off her ears complete, now people pay blood spread, you know. Bite off the mama ears. So when the judge and the lawyer, them said, listen, my girl, all when they got dead, they still the evilness. The little girl said, no, I know evilness me do. If I never that woman there move that moody there, so if I me look up picking it, everything me do wrong, she agree with me. Every time I do wrongness, she tell me say right. So if I never she would have still the road right now and of my life. So she bite off her mother ears. So that's why I tell the people, don't be the one to make somebody bite off her ears because them I do wrong and you tell them say them I do right. People, when you believe a fact me a chat, a reality, that world yeah, is so fake. And when people get caught up in that fakeness, why you believe enough people don't like the emperor? Because them say the emperor too truthful. Them say the emperor talk. The things them too plain. Them some for pretty it up. But me can't pretty up story. Oh, me go pretty up the story, my people. Me can't go on my bed and know say, me should have tell her the things them, I'm going to tell her things them. Me just play now, people. Second thing again, people, I'm teaching you this. I take 40 years to learn this, people. I'm teaching it in 1 minute or 2. Let me check my time. Never fight somebody for love you. Never fight somebody for show you respect. Never fight somebody for embrace you. Because when you force it, people, your heart will go broke. Because it will come fake. And when it come fake now, and you find out, trust me, emotional damage. Emotional damage. When just, wow, things will come naturally. I've spent 40 years on the planet and people are going at 50, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57. I remember teaching these people. I said enough man dead from stress of being with the wrong person. But I've never seen a man dead from loneliness, from being alone with himself and having money. What you have to do? Make your money. Because the wickedest thing you have to grow old and broke, you know. Let me teach you this. Grow old and broke. People treat you like dog shit. People treat you like half yam. People treat you like, you know, the yam with them half yam. I tell the ugly yam people that too like. People like St. Vincent yam. Them like renta yam. Them like yellow yam whole heap. Them like white yam. And for the purple yam, them love that enough. But St. Vincent yam people, nobody too love it. It too jukey. It still sell, but nobody too like it. So people treat like cheaper like Afuyam people. Yes, man. People treat like Afuyam. So man, make your money. That means that when you turn whole, people still love you. Anywhere the money there. Anywhere the money there, and where the love come. Teach these people, money buy anything. No make nobody trick you. Money buy a horse. Money buy a car. Money buy a baby mother. Money buy a friend them. Money buy a gun. Money buy money. Money buy anything you want. Make nobody tell you about money is the root of all powerful things, people. The root of evil is poverty, people. The root of all evil is poverty, brokenness, poorness. Yes, man. Poorness by a stress. Poorness by a make a turn robber. Poorness make you turn bad-minded. Poorness make you tell lie. Poorness make you have to beg bread. Poorness make you not have the real friend around you. Poorness, what do you, man? Because when you're poor people, you can't have the real friend of the poor. One might say, oh, you mean by you can't have the real friend of the poor? People, because when you're poor, the hungry friend you have a poor friend. And when them get money, them no want to see you again. Them gone left you. So them are a good friend them. But if you have a rich friend, then you have a real friend. No poor man can have no real friend. No poor man can go heaven. Because let me tell you something, people. No founder say, Lord gosh, Father God, no young power, Almighty God, when me get rich, me gonna do this. But you see how some man start make money, them don't remember God. Them not even remember them all time baby mother. Them don't remember them all time friend. Gone. So no poor man can have a real friend. No poor man can say him real. Only rich people real. Because rich people tell you them mind. Rich people tell you what them want to tell you. Poor people tell you one bag of life to keep your comfort. And if I lie, me tell you, I can't tell my people. I've spent 40 years to learn this. The hard way. So my thing I have to go on the knowledge. All of the man them out there, make on the money. All of the woman them out there, make on the money. You understand? Because when a woman poor, she go lead down with all kind of man to make money. When a woman poor, she go through all kind of abuse. But if a girl have her thinking money, no boy and no girl can't get the chat. If a lie me tell you, they can make monkey face. If a true me talk, so it go the two way. The wickedest thing in a life, people, the biggest sin in a life is to be poor. Let me tell you something. If you don't believe her, if you don't check some lie, me they tell. If you don't check some lie, me they tell. This need crowd, people, like and share this need crowd. Because when they give a word of wisdom, you know, consultation, few should have pay me. Let me teach you this. Coupon here, so now people, coupon there. This need crowd, like and share. Where was I again? Where was I? Oh, money. Look on all of the place of a war there. In the ghetto. Why war there in the ghetto? Matter of fact, why is it called the ghetto? The ghetto means get out. But you're not have to get out. If you unify in the ghetto, you know, the ghetto become now a residential area. Call uptown, you have ghetto area. So, oh, I live uptown. Yeah, enough uptown ghetto area there. You have Grand Spain uptown. You have part of the Park, Sherlock uptown and ghetto. You have Wishat again. You have all Everdale. You have a little part of that Pay War go around there. The broke part of the poor part of Everdale that. So anyways a ghetto. If you want to find ghetto, pack up one bag of broke pocket people, poor people, one bag of lazy people, Anyone tell. Put them uptown and say uptown and town ghetto. Put them downtown and downtown town ghetto. But if now you put one bag of people who love work, one bag of people that is smart and unify, you call it now residential area. Una believe me? Una believe me? Alright. Kupa a Tivoli Garden. People. But as thing be people. You can't go call Tivoli Garden ghetto. You must be mad how weird this. When I go down at Tivoli Garden, they want a big car down there. They want a big bike down at Tivoli Garden. Big up the dust. He make it, no, big up Jim Brown and him start it. People, uncle thing to them say, no, Tivoli Garden the mastermind behind certain badness. But I can't go call me good Tivoli Garden get there. I must say, man, Tivoli Garden have them on a hospital. See, I gotta make sure do it. They have them on a library. They have them on a washing, dry cleaning place. So when that Tivoli Garden takes a New York, the people, I swear to God, no line. Big up Tivoli Garden, just come from down there. Big up Mama Sandy Brown. Big up, live up. Now give up. Big up, me look a soldier Ratchik. Ever up on the corner. Big up yourself all day. People, Tivoli Garden have them on a market. Them have them on a pharmacy. Them have them on a health center. So you would have never lived for your one gunshot about the Tivoli Garden. Pure hustler that Tivoli Garden people. You understand? Say if you put some progressive people in our ghetto, it will come up to, it become residential area. You know, ghetto again. So the phone when you hear about ghetto, nobody say ghetto downtown. No, If you believe a lie, go downtown and Mobile. Are the richest people live down there? Go anywhere where rich people live, downtown or uptown. It's called a residential area. You know how much gated community out of Rockford now, people? You know how much gated community in a Spanish town now? And them gated part of them call it the residential area of Spanish town. But they look up part now where the broke pocket people in now. Where kill them one another people. Every time people come link me from Spanish town, the broke pocket one them. I come to me for walk over to kill somebody or to get rid of somebody. But when the rich people them come from Spanish town people, them come to me for work science, for better themselves, or for get a new business deal. I swear to God, I kid you not, I tell you not no lie. Yes, man, we shall have eaten much ammunition. I kid you not, I tell you no lie. Yeah, man, give yourself, man. Put on seat of people. Yeah, man. Let me show people. What is his name? Invictus? My name.
Paco Rabana.
Ah, there's some dear Cologne people. Now look at my name.
Invictus.
Yeah, Invictus people. Alright. See that people? The Emperor Rich. You're not money for that big back like Invictus, your people original. But you want me have this in my office to the people. Anytime I have to smell a look away, my boss all a fart or them thing there. I just spray some Invictus people and get rid of the fart smell. That's rich. Gabby, I like that you tell? Eh?
No.
That no?
No.
So look at that here. Papa Jesus. Gabby, when daddy boss a fart, what daddy do?
Spray.
What should I spray them? Alright.
Just spray.
Alright. So see people. So we don't need to tell like people who are fake. Anytime there are people, because you know me the emperor, you know, and I can't afford for no some got bust a fart and people say, okay, I think it smell that. So if I bust a fart people, just spray some Invictus people and the whole of it's good again. That's rich. And you don't charge back if you're Invictus? Oh Jesus. Let me say how much back if you're Invictus. How much back if you're What's the price for Invictus? Invictus Cologne original. What's the price? I get back to Google now. Give it again and like one time.
No, you can also take a picture and it search it up faster.
Alright.
No?
I don't know what I go. See people interested in picking and nowadays smarter than me. You know? Alright, Invictus. That's the Invictus. price for Invictus cologne. Alright, see that. What's that?
Whoa.
How much?
106 US.
See it, people? 106 USD back at Invictus. Yeah. Hold on there. Look back a lot, Gabby. I see the big back, the big back list me have. They look back for 106 years. That's the big back me have. Look back for 106 years. Probably about $200 for the big one, don't it? Or $100. So see it, people? In Jamaica, that about almost $30,000 for one buckle of perfume, people. See it? So that's rich people. Scale, look one, my friend. Can't find a big one then. Can't find a big one. If you look back at Invictus, my friend. But are the big buckle of people. You understand? So that may show people. So to be poor people is a crime. That's why every time you run the country, people, everybody have to have make money. For you come out of school at 25 work, you go there in front of your job application as you graduate from high school. 25. As you're going to primary school, every holiday, I have 55 holiday job for every local picking. That means by the time you go back to school, your pocket full of money. You don't have to wait for your mother and your father for your lunch money. Because the emperor holiday job them make you all money. Come and go Hong Kong people and I say look at 7-year-old pick them and work in a factory and make them all money. Them people are like with the low for Hong Kong people. Them people are sharp. So people big up on yourself here, man. I don't know. So that's rich. So people, the root of all evil and the money, the root of all evil are poverty. So the Roman Catholic, them telling them things that make you avoid money. Though, but oh, I want to be alright in life. No, I want to be super rich in life. I want to be wealthy in life. Yeah, man. Me no want to broke pocket friend people. Because of them, they will kill me faster. Let me tell you. I just show they along with my people. Me go to one more word of wisdom. Let me tell you this, people. When they are along with me, if you want me go to one more word of wisdom, say talk, Emperor. So give us the word of wisdom, Emperor. Because I know, feel like me go to the word of wisdom and not need it. You understand? Because you can't waste powder upon blackboard, you know. And you can't waste clean water upon swine. But they just go throw it in the mud and build up the mud and the swine will line in the mud. But if you give the swine as a chuck off in the pool of fresh water, no, the pig will go look for you and laugh for you.
The price I'm seeing is 160.
160 US dollar? Alright, don't see it. So 160 dollar for your back of Invictus and the Emperor only use Invictus when the most of fart to clean up the sky. You understand, people? If for the warriors attack, Emperor. Because I don't hold down the people. So I have to give you the knowledge. I can't go sleep with the knowledge. I have to give you the knowledge. If you know why you're the knowledge, say go on, Emperor. Because I look at old man to me, they say I'm the wisest man I've ever seen. I say, no, you come. I say, no, so I could be the wisest man. I'm one of them. Yeah? Alright. Yes, people. Right, so already, people, I'm soon as give us the word of wisdom, the Emperor. I'm saying something, man. People, you see in a life, you have to treat everybody with respect. No man not too big enough to take talk. You understand? No man not too big enough to take talk. I'm going to tell you something, people. Life have a violent turn, people. Me say the eagle in the people grab up the local baby lion for kill him, you know. And same time the mother lion do send a room and grab the eagle people and she and the eagle fight and she and the eagle fight and the eagle pick out one of her eye and she bite out one of the eagle eye and she bust the eagle throat and the eagle just a boom with the mighty beard now and juke her in her neck and blood starts spread from she people and the eagle dead people. But the little baby cub up on the ground, you know. I see by the time the mother lion do so and look for and they go creep to her baby cub. It's a big snake, you know, people. She see this a boom and swallow the little baby lion, you know, people. And before she could reach her little picking, you know, people, the baby lion dropped down and dead. And guess what now, people? The snake do so boom and eat the baby lion, people, and swallow the baby lion, you know. And the baby lion a crab and a crab, you know, till it crab out the whole of the snake belly, and the snake end up dead. But the baby lion end up dead in the tiger, in the snake belly, people. And let me tell the people, and then Mr. the ansem do so boom and come eat up the baby, the baby, the snake and the baby lion, people. And after the ansem eat up the baby and the snake, them just end up dead. The ansem end up dead, people, most of them, by eating up the thing, people. And when rain fall, the rain just wash away the whole of the ansem in the river, people. And then the fish them just take the ansem and eat the ansem. And then a bear now, people come take the rotted fish and eat them. So you see, people, life of a violent turn, people. I just wouldn't have to see them thing, the people. Remember, you know, the big giant eagle, you know, people grab a little baby lion for to kill him and eat him, you know. At the same time, the mother run, rush and flip here for to protect her cub. Two of them kill one another, people. But by the time the baby mother, the lioness for this a boom and go save her cub, people. A big giant snake, this a room. And eat her little cub, people. And she crawl and crawl with her last life for to try to kill the snake. And she end up dead. And then the snake now, people, the little baby lion can use the snake open them out white people and sort of things. The baby lion and they grab and cut up the whole of the snake inside, people, and the snake end up dead. And the baby lion dead from suffocation. Then the ants them now, the people, come eat the baby lion and eat the snake, people. But most of them, by eating, people, them end up dead and eat the two of them. And then the rainwater wash them, go down in the river, people. And then the fish them eat them. And then when the fish don't eat them, people, a bear come catch the fish and eat the fish, people. What is the moral of the situation, people? Death have no boundary. So we have to live good, people. Words of the Maroon Emperor. Live good, unite with one another. You understand, people? Strive for the highest. Yeah, man, that's it, the people. Strive for the highest. You understand? Poverty, people, is the root of all evil. I've never seen a rich man died unhappy, people. But me say poor people died unhappy, broke, hungry. Every rich man died, people. Was if him grow or she grow old, people. With them grand picnic on them bed, people. Funeral done, plan already before them even dead. You understand? Big this, big that. But I've seen 95% of my poor friends and people died unhappy. Died with one bag of regrets. Yeah, man. So people will teach you this. You will never see a man who higher than you. A bad mind you. Uncle people lower than you go bad mind you want to pull it down to feed them segment. And the last thing I'm telling you, you will never see a man that is riding high. A bad mind you. Even more look where you say, yo, what's going on, man? Come up here. But people lower than you will always want to pull you down. The more that the situation, people go par with some rich people. But when you par with them, carry something to the table. Because if a rich man knows, say, you're going to make him get richer, he's going to pull you up. He will par with you if you're poor still, but not par with you too tough, him gone if you. But he will figure them carry and say, yo, come with me, man. Rich people get rich people rich. If you par with 5 beggar, you're going to be the 6. If you par with 5 broke pocket man, you're going to be the 6. If you par with 5 lazy people, you're going to be the 6. But if you par with 200 rich man, you're going to be the 201. Because once you have something about you, rich people like when people get rich. And the poor people are like when they get rich. So people, and get on a spiritual power. And the poor people like that, but oh, but I will be man. Rich people, tell me one rich man ever hear say, but no be man. That poor broke pocket people will get caught up in a European ideology. I get caught up by the Roman Catholic. They praise Caesarea Borgia, Pope Alexander VI. Last boy picking it. When them kill her for grandmother and get a boy named Willie Lynch. For lynch your grandmother or grandfather and say, yo, praise this boy. Yeah. And then when you grow up until now, even when the emperor tell you no, you know how wise up. Poor people don't like to accept reality. Rich people, as them hear something, them gonna type it in. And once them say it's true, them embrace you. Poor people hold on pan fakeness. Poor people hold on pan illusion. Me know what there are no poor people too tough. You mad? If me down in the ghetto, I'm a rich ghetto friend and me a par with. Yeah, man. Poor people hold on pan fantasy. Poor people hold on pan dreams. Rich people hold on reality. A poor man who knows a girl no mean him no good and himself hold on pan her. A rich man knows a woman no mean him good, him fling her a long time and go about him business. A poor woman who knows some man abuse her and they kick her down and they beat her. I just say, well, I'm put him because she say, Lord gosh, I'm going to put on my dinner. A rich girl, you try that with her, she cut gone. That's why I make all of my little picking in them, tell them to turn the richness. Now, boy, you come abuse you, you come turn with him, but he put on food for you. So, people to be poor are the biggest crime on the planet. The wages of sin, people, is poverty and poorness. Bastard, you know, long but tell us if get ready and I'll know. Me not have none of them done now. So people, if you believe a lie, me tell, try prove me wrong. See it, you know, say, I make money every day. By building power ring, gathering, or anything one I call them. But that woman most make them for rich people. Poor people really come in.
Because they can't pay.
No, them can't pay for it. Poor people will on them going to church. Jesus, save me. Jesus, I want to get rich. Poor people just beg, them and beg. They may beg God to get rich. They may beg you money. They may beg you this. They may beg you shoes. They may call you on the phone and beg. They're full of begging poor people. Rich people now, they may work for what they want and they may create. Give to you. Poor people beg.
Begging non-stop.
Gabby, how long your father feed homeless people?
Years.
For your bar. You hear me beg nobody say me beg them to contribute to me yet? Me just go work for what me have. I'm going to do my own thing. One time I tried. I hear some poor people. Lord gosh, how you talk about you're rich? And I beg for feed homeless people. People feel shame and nobody do it again. And all the while, my rich friend them just come more time and come say, Emperor, see I think I towards the food program. And I never beg them nothing yet. Because them say I know say me do good. But poor people, not even every day people call me, Emperor, I want a free read up. And them would have never send a phone card for my phone. Not one of them. Me go on a show, no phone that's entertainment. But you know that never send a phone card for the Emperor phone. Tell me on the wicked, you just want, and will never give. Why you believe me give so much? Because I learned long time when I was in the Freemason said, give and you shall receive. Life is a circle. And give to people who is giving. And you will get. More time I call up a couple of my rich friends and say, yo, John, where go on? Come in, man, come drink a beer with me. Emperor, what there, man? I say, come drink a beer. And them say, boy, Emperor, you know, say you're the first one to buy my beer. Everybody come around me beg. And people, more time, they call me Emperor. Me have a business deal here, you know. What you can do, who you can find for do it. And sometimes me can't do the job, you know, people. So me just say, all right, me have a look at man. I'm going to call a look at man around the corner and say, yo, you know, so me have a job for you. Come do it. And the man say, boy, Emperor, thanks, you know. And enough man that give me a job, you know, some man who go try to do it themselves. One me go do something, one me can do, one me go do something, one me know you can do. Come for the job if you want to broke a bread with me, I broke a bread. If you don't want to break a bread, I'm good. Yes, man, people, we shall have thee. Timoshe Manisha, what I can, brah, ala canta distos, pragmatus, rias, ruasatata. All here. Yeah, man, people. Poor people that support one another. Poor people support illusion. A China man who come up in business, you know, people. And the poor man go spend him last dollar around there. But make you as him brother or you as our sister open up. Them now come support you. The young time never come barely support you know. And when the China man shop lock. And most of the time them come beg you things and they tell us they want your drop price. What people if you be the lie me tell? I've been around the world, people. Yeah, man. Dr. Love, big up yourself, youth. People, I work my best not to be poor again. I already passed $100 million people, but $100 million no money. $100 million cokehead money, people. Cause a $100 million Jamaican dollar that people. Pass that long time. One yacht. More no much car. And whole heap of asset, people. Lease and rent too much place. One couple for myself. Control the maroon government, people. Still feed poor people every day. Still feed homeless people every day. And I still give wisdom, people. And people bad mind me through that. And I tell them, so no, I'm still broke. When me have $1 billion US, then me say I'm rich. Because I see Timberland people, I see Jay-Z what there have one watch people for $20 million US people. One watch. You ready? Huh? Talk no man. The small one.
The white one?
Yeah.
Or the grey one?
The white one. So the grey one, yeah. So people. So, we want to call money and the money. But it's when some poor people see a make. Some bad-minded poor people, because you have some good-minded poor people. Some bad-minded poor people see you make it, they want to drag you down back. So people, word of advice, if you want to fly, go par with the eagle and the barbel dove them. Now go par with some mongrel dog. Make them say rich and switch. Make them say change, you change upon them. And the Bible will fall me a chat. Yeah, my people. Your granny says, show me a company and I will tell you who you are. So if you're part of one bag of loaf to people, go out of the box. Go look for some people like the Emperor. Say, Emperor, teach me how to get rich. Emperor, more learn how to do science. More learn how to do magic. Emperor, I want people, look how me show you poor people wicked to themselves. We have a thing named Nyankepong Maroon Sovereign Documents, people. Once you have them documents, you don't pay tax again. Yes. Once you have them documents, yeah, you're good. Yeah.
Hungry.
Yeah, food.
I go restaurant now.
I'm so ready, you know, so I should go back. But how far the restaurant there?
I don't say anything. I go over a bridge.
Nobody goes so far and see if downstairs have something.
That's what I'm going to do, but I said if they don't have it, I go over a bridge.
Yeah. Gabby, just stay up at the office, man. Where you go downstairs to go?
Should I come with me?
My daughter and I go over the bridge.
Not over the
Rich, but downstairs.
Downstairs.
Sweat and half.
Listen me.
Downstairs.
Don't carry the little girl to the street.
Alright.
So don't do that.
Yeah. It's a making a mistake.
Yeah.
Know what she go on. Downstairs, not go.
Sam Young, she can make order. Them have stewed chicken or them have fried chicken. Yes, and don't ramp with me, slap you up. I'll be able to say she up at the office.
5:44. When I know them have that.
Yes, sir. We can get ready anytime. You know, for the bridge, I hear that. You want to walk way up, so.
No.
Then that you worry about no. Don't go nowhere without to ask me again. Don't ramp with me. See me look at me play with people. Yes, my people. Yeah, man, you have to tell them the truth. Because me for a really long time, and she hear me cuss her stepmother say me ready. And then she want to walk go up, so. By then she come and drive go on the far. Flood come emergency. No, don't ramp with me. As parents you have to be strict. Them young and them want to go all over the place. They made light. Young boy don't know time. So they said the people. The worker dead. Make a moan and ball yes and go bury the worker if some fucker go on. Because I have to bury them because I'm a worker. I have to show them love if them sick. But she gone now, I'm mad, mega mad. That's why sometimes I not put no love in a picking. Say them want to go on, them go on. But sometimes you have to still show them love because you want to picking them. That's why you have to get a million picking. That means if two don't have no sense, the other rest they might have sense. So just pray to God say two of you pick them have sense out of the 20 or 15 or 30 or 40 where you get. Yeah man. Because them picking nowadays, they don't follow pay a cartoon and pay a movie. They don't have sense most of them nowadays. Most of our nation pick the China pick them. I got China, you know. And every time I look, I see the pick them. A business them I learn. For them myself, I pick them. SpongeBob them upon. One bag of fantasy, one bag of gaming, one bag of phone call, clack. When I got Hong Kong in 2017 people, I never believe it. If somebody tell me I believe it's a lie. The whole of the pit them from them are 7. Them know if to pull long phone. Them know if to saw. Them know if to do everything. And then when we got Germany again, people. The German pit them in a school, people. And learn to make rocking chair. And learn to make all kind of things. Oh, I look up pit themselves school up and A, B, C. And a bag of them a play people and a mashing them on themselves. Yes, man. So people, when we control things from your 5-year-old, you have to have a trade. Yes, people, not joke me, man. For your 5-year-old, you have to have a trade. Our people them alone do them thing the people. Our youth them alone workless. And when you talk to them now, people tell us say you're too strict, and you're too miserable, and you're too this. Why I know? Back where we go. Back where people. Even though you're a million miles away. In my heart, that with me together.
I'm fucking right up.
Focus on you. People come and go. If you don't control your mind, someone else will. Sometimes, the things that break your heart end up fixing your vision. Loneliness is the price you pay when you start to improve yourself. Be proud. You survived the days you thought you couldn't. Not everyone will like you. That's life. Stop telling people everything. Most people don't care, and some secretly want you to fail. Be kind, but don't let people use you. It is better to be hated for what you are than to be loved for something you are not. Don't go broke trying to impress broke people. Stay away from people who make you feel lonely. No company is better than a bad company. Make peace with your past so it won't screw up the present. Don't compare your life to others. You have no idea what their journey is all about. Never underestimate the power of stupid people. No one is going to figure out your life. It's your responsibility. Sometimes you win, sometimes you learn. If nobody helps you, do it alone. Take your financial life seriously. Money is a defense to a lot of challenges. Be selfish with your time. A lot of people don't deserve it. What other people think of you is none of your business. You can't go back and change the beginning, but you can start where you are and change the ending. Being alone gives us an opportunity to reconnect with ourselves. Sometimes you need to stop seeing the good in people and start seeing what they show you. Don't pretend to be better than you are. Live life at your own pace. Life is too short to waste time meeting anyone. Your deepest, darkest moment may be the best thing that ever happens to you. Envy is a waste of time. You already have all you need. If you don't ask, you don't get. Do unto others as you would have them do unto you.
Just remember that, people. Do unto others as they would like them to do unto you. Don't get broke trying to help broke people. Cause you have look at money, you know, you try to impress broke people, you know. Broke people will eat you out. They will suck you out and dry you out. And you see, when you suck out and dry out, then them see one turn on and laugh after you say, yeah, go out, yeah, you have money, you used to go out rich. Me not give nothing, me not give her nothing. No. Remember what I said, rich already? We can't see it happen. People, this is the Maroon Emperor, His Excellency Horus L. Lewis, Chief High Priest, LB Amun Ra, the 7th, saying, I shall have thee, we shall have thee, Timoshe Manisha, Alakanta Distus, Aliel, Aswivas, Baswas. I show you.